Let's learn shapes and colors name. Light pink color, brown color, orange color, yellow color, pink color, black color, sky blue color, green color, grey color, purple color, light green color, blue color, sea green color, red color, yellow color, circle, sky blue color, triangle, light pink color, octagon, green color, diamond, orange color, pentagon, light green color, arrow, pink color, star, purple color, oval, brown color, square, sea green color, rectangle, blue color, hexagon, red color, heart. Let's revise. Circle, triangle, octagon, diamond, pentagon, arrow, star, oval, square, rectangle, hexagon, heart. Great job!